Here's the installation guide for a custom fireplace screen from Pillars Customs. First, place the fireplace screen on the wall by the fireplace, and then lay out all mounting hardware. As you can see here, all the hardware shown. Then we want to pick out the front-facing feet. These are the larger ones you can see on the right, so let's go with those. Then get the screw, washer, and nut, one for each, and we'll show generally how the installation of the fireplace screen feet go. With the screw going in, then the foot, then the fireplace screen will go in the middle with the washer and the nut on the other side. So you can see it's pretty easy to tighten and get the installation there. So we'll go to the first side of our fireplace screen and push the screw and the foot in, and then put the washer and the nut on the back side, and then just hand tighten the nut. Don't have to make it totally tight yet because we'll do a final tightening at the end. Then we'll go look at the other side and take our feet, screw, washer, nut there, and go and install it just like we did on the front. So take the foot and put the screw in, and then take the washer and the bolt on the back side just like we did on the front, and hand tighten until it's secure enough. Okay, now we'll go with the back feet, and we're going to show here generally how the back feet are put in, where you'll have the back foot on the front, and then you'll have the screen in the middle, and the screw will come in on one side, and then the washer and the nut on the back side, and tighten it up there. So just to show how it'll look when you have it on. So the screw through the front, and then the foot and the washer and the nut on the back. Just like that. This with the fireplace screen going there. So now we're going to move our screen out of the way just a little bit so we can access the back of it. And then we'll go ahead and we will install the backwards facing feet. So put the screw through the front, and then go around the back and put the backward facing feet in, along with the washer and then the nut. And then again we'll hand tighten just to get it tight enough to hold up. You can see the fireplace screen is now standing on its own with just one of the feet, but we're going to go put the other foot in now. And so the same way as before, through the front we're going to put the screw through, and then the foot, along with the washer and the nut on the back side. And we'll hand tighten this. And then now we'll go through and we will tighten all of the other feet, just because they might be a little loose from putting the other ones on, but we'll go through and confirm that all of the feet are nice and tight and secure. And lastly, let's go move our screen on the wall where we're going to have it go. So this one right here just kind of slides into our opening, and enjoy your fireplace screen.